Hi, welcome to BoxPut. Today, we'll introduce the Android TV box chipsets we offer and help you choose the right one for your project. BoxPut Chipset Portfolio. At BoxPut, we provide Android TV box solutions based on three major chipset platforms: Amlogic, Allwinner, Rockchip. Now let's look at our three main chipsets. 1. Amlogic S905X4. The S905X4 is one of our most popular solutions. It features a quad-core Cortex, a 5.5 CPU, a Mali, G31 GPU, AV1 decoding, and supports 4K video output, 8K decoding. It's a great choice for streaming devices, IPTV, and Android TV boxes. If you need stable performance and excellent compatibility, choose the S905X4. 2. Allwinner H618. The H618 is designed for cost-effective projects. It supports 4K video playback and delivers stable everyday performance. It's ideal for budget TV boxes, hotel systems, education, and digital signage. If your priority is value, the H618 is a solid choice. 3. Rockchip RK3539. The RK3539 is built for commercial applications. It offers stronger graphics performance and more interface options for customized devices. It's suitable for digital signage, AI terminals, industrial equipment, and other commercial Android projects. If your project needs more flexibility, choose the RK3539. Which one should you choose? Choose S905X4 for streaming and home entertainment. Choose H618 for affordable Android TV box projects. Choose RK3539 for commercial and industrial applications. We also offer S905L3, S905W2, S905Y4, H313, RK3518, and RK3528 to meet different project requirements. BoxPut provides OEM and ODM services, hardware customization, firmware development, and technical support. If you're looking for the right Android TV box solution, contact us today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.